How to fix video message missing on WhatsApp. So if you try to video message on WhatsApp and if it's not possible, then what you can do is, let's first open up WhatsApp application. And once you've opened, you can simply choose a chat, any chat that you would like. And here, if you tap on the audio option or the voice record option on the bottom right, if you tap and hold on to that, you will get the video message option. But here you won't have an option to video message on that audio option. So what you can do is simply go for Play Store and make sure to update the application. So if you have not updated your application, then you might find that problem. So you need to simply go for the Play Store, search for the application, and then you need to update the application. Once it's updated, so if you have the updated version on your WhatsApp, then what you can do is you need to simply go for the camera, which is on the bottom right. So if you tap and hold on to that camera, you will get the voice message or the video message. So if you tap and hold on to that camera, you will get the video message option because WhatsApp has updated the option to camera. So you need to simply tap and hold on to that camera option. And here it says that to record a video message, you need to allow WhatsApp access to your camera. So if you have turned that access, you need to simply tap on settings. And here you will have permissions. Tap on permissions, and under your permissions, here you need to go for camera and then tap on allow while using the application. Once you've turned that on, you need to go for the WhatsApp again and then go for the chat. And from here, now if you tap on the camera icon or the camera option, here you can have that video. So that's it. That's how you send your VC. So that's it. That's how you send your video message on WhatsApp. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.